Curious about crypto automation but not sure where to begin? Today, we're breaking down the smart way to start automated crypto trading in 2025, without the hype, without the confusion. Welcome to FinTech Bot Focused, where we discuss, dissect, and implement all things automated trading. If you're into AI, FinTech, or just want your trades to work while you sleep, you're in the right place. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a breakdown. Automated crypto trading means letting trading bots do the heavy lifting. These bots follow preset strategies to buy and sell crypto, 24/7, no emotions, no sleep required. Removes emotional decision-making, saves time, no need to stare at charts all day, faster reactions to market swings than human hands, great for running disciplined strategies like DCA or grid trading. Let's keep it real. Automation does not equal autopilot profits. Here's what you should know going in. You still need to understand basic trading concepts like stop loss, position sizing, and so on. Bots require setup, testing, and occasional adjustments. Market conditions change, you'll need to stay involved. Think of bots as assistants, not magic money printers. DCA bots, or dollar cost averaging bots, are perfect for building long-term positions gradually, especially in volatile markets. 3 is known for its friendly interface, pre-built templates, and solid grid and DCA bots. Pionex offers free built-in bots and a clean, mobile-first experience. CryptoHopper provides a great balance of automation and manual control, making it good for strategy tweaking. Start with paper trading or a small balance. Focus on learning, not chasing hype. Follow creators who test and explain bots. This channel, for example. Be patient. Automated trading is a strategy, not a shortcut. Automated crypto trading in 2025 has never been more accessible, intelligent, and flexible. But it's still a tool. And like any tool, it works best when used with clarity and purpose. Have questions? Drop them in the comments. Want me to test a specific bot or strategy next? I'm listening. And if you're serious about smart, honest guidance in the world of crypto automation, subscribe to FinTech Bot Focused. We're just getting started.